Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to talk about best SEO apps for Shopify. Many Shopify store owners focus on paid ads like Facebook or Google Ads to drive traffic. However, big e-commerce brands knows that SEO is a long-term strategy that brings in organic traffic without ongoing cost. Luckily, Shopify has several powerful apps that can help optimize your store's SEO effortlessly. So today we will be go over the top 5 SEO apps that can enhance your store's visibility and ranking. So let's get started. The first app on our list is SEO Optimizer, all-in-one SEO tool designed specifically for Shopify. This app simplifies SEO optimization with a one-click install that automatically improves key SEO elements such as meta tag description. This helps Google's understand your products and rank them higher in search results. So best of all, SEO Optimizer offers a free plan, making it a great starting point for store owners looking to boost their rankings. Now next we have is Booster Page Speed Optimizer, a completely free app that enhances your site's loading speed since Google consider pages speed as important ranking factor. So a fast loading store improves both SEO performance and customer experience. So this app works by optimizing backend processes, ensuring your store loads quickly across all devices. And faster page speeds reduce bounce rates, keeping visitors engaged and increasing conversions. Let's move to the next app, which is Metafields Guru. So, this app helps owners manage metadata in bulk, saving time on manual SEO tasks. With this app, you can bulk edit metadata descriptions, tags, and custom fields for better search rankings. And you can also add extra product details that improve visibility in Google search. And then you can also enhance SEO metadata across thousands of products in just few clicks. If you manage a large inventory, this app is a huge time saver for optimizing SEO. Moving to the next app, which is Plugin SEO. Now, this app scans your Shopify store for SEO issues and helps you fix them. Over time, pages may develop broken links, outdated content, or missing SEO elements that hurt rankings. So, plugin SEO automatically detect and suggest fixes for broken links that harm SEO and user experience, missing or duplicate meta descriptions and title tags, technical issues that could slow down your site. So, this app has a premium version with additional features. Now let's move to our last but not least app, which is Image Optimizer. This is an essential app for reducing image sizes without compromising quality. With this app, you can compress images automatically to improve the site speed, and you can also optimize all product images, banners, and blog visuals with a single click. Since Google prioritizes fast loading websites, this app helps improve rankings while enhancing user experience. So, these Shopify SEO apps make optimizing your store simple and effective. Most of them offer free plans, so you can try them out and see which works best for your store. Try Shopify now for free. No credit card needed, and after your trial, it's just $1 per month for next 3 months. Click the link to get started.